Very good morning. Today onwards, I'm going to prepare generative AI leader exam questions and answer. So I'm going to upload every day or weekly 5 videos. Generative AI leader is a very good for the uh, good for the leaders like PL, PM, leader level people. So it is very easy to pass this exam if you prepare in a structured manner. So let us discuss this first question. The office of the CISO wants to use generative AI to help automate tasks like summarizing case information, researching threats, and taking actions like creating detection rules. What agent should they use? So actually the answer is D. Okay. So this exam is very easy and we can answer each and every question with common sense. So what is this question about? The office of the CISO. CISO means Chief Information Security Officer wants to use generative AI. What is the purpose? To automate, to help automate tasks like summarizing case information. Case means that is maybe that is criminal cases, security case, some information, some cases. Reasoning threat. Threat is also a security related thing. Case is security related thing, and the threat is also security related thing. Taking actions like creating detection rules. Detection is also is violating. Detection means finding out the violating the rules. So they wanted to create an agent, summarize security cases. So they have a lot of information is there maybe in PDF or Word or anything. So they wanted to summarize security agent and research cyber threats, take actions like creating detection rules. So there are four options are there. Customer service agent. What is the customer service agent? So this is like a customer service agent. Like for example, if we want to, uh, if we have a doubt, we can call the customer care and we can clarify. So for that, instead of calling, so there that is the customer service agent simply. Code agent. So code agent is simply write the code for us. Maybe if we give you a proper prompt uh, to create the Python program, so it will give a code. Data agent. So we have data in Excel. So when we upload to the agent, agent will analyze the data. What is the data about? And it will give different kinds of metrics. So that is the data agent. So the fourth one is these three are not correct, and we can eliminate simply. The security fourth one is security agent. So based on this question, security agent is the correct answer. Okay, the answer is D. Let's go to the second question. The second question is social media platform uses a generative AI model to automatically generate summaries of user submitted posts to provide quick overviews for other users. While the summaries are generally accurate for factual posts, the model occasionally misinterprets sarcasm, satire, or nuanced opinions, leading to summaries that misrepresent the original intent and potentially cause misunderstandings or offense among the users. What should the platform do to overcome this limitation of the AI generated summaries? So simply the question, we should understand the question. So they have we have a company has generated a model. So we can say maybe that is an agent, chatbot or agent. What it will do is it will summarize the social media post. Users are posting on Twitter and Facebook and some other social media platform. The agent will summarize the text and it will summarize the text and provide. But unfortunately, it will give right information for factual post, that is, which is correct, or when it provides the uh, facts and figures. So it is working fine. There is no issue. But sarcasm, sarcasm posts for it is not working for sarcasm, satire, nuanced opinions, and it is giving a different meaning. So in that case, what should the platform do to overcome this limitation of the AI generated summaries? In this case, how to resolve this issue? So there are four options. First one is decrease the output length of the summaries to make them more concise. So chatbot is giving, AI model is giving summaries. So instead of giving the lengthy summary, so we should restrict to give uh, length. It won't help. Second one, incorporate a human loop in the review, human HITL review process to refine the summaries. So that means, so when we are using the summary, so we should, any person should review it, whether it is correct or not, whether the summary is agent is generating the summary in right manner or not, or is it the right meaning or not. So, for example, sarcasm. For example, if you wait, for example, if you have reported the issue. So, for example, you have iPhone, and maybe I won't say. Maybe you can say a different phone, any phone. For example, you have a phone, it got repaired, and you have given to phone service center. They have given you. They told you that they will give you in 2 days. Unfortunately, they have taken 1 month. Then you will give that, okay, phone company has provided the very fast service. This company has provided me the very fast service, and it has taken 1 month. So I really am very happy for their speed service or their faster service. So actually, this is a sarcasm, but AI model will give this as a positive feedback, which is wrong. So when we add the people in this, I mean, in this process, so people say that okay, this is not positive. Actually, it is sarcasm and satire, and it is a negative feedback. So only human can do that. Implement stricter safety settings to filter out potentially misinterpreted content altogether. So we should implement a safety settings filter. So if we add safety setting is different, and providing the, I mean, understanding the satire, sarcasm is different. So C is not correct. Increase the temperature parameter of the model to increase more varied and less literal interpretation. Temperature in the sense, for example, in the we will give temperature is equal to 0, temperature 1 to temperature value should be always 0 to 1. In between, we can give any value. If we give some temperature 0, it will give, it won't give any, it will give a straight answer. It won't assume anything. It won't assume anything, and it will give a fact and figures. If you add 1, what it will, the chatbot will give you, or AI will give you imagination, like a poetic answer. It will add new things. It will add color coding to the response. So we should not. This is also not the answer. So the right answer is B.